Alrighty, so what I'll be demonstrating for you all today is this example sequence assembly activity. What I've done is I've constructed one word from the Atlanta Science Festival. I've written a bash script that finds all 5 mers within that word with one base pair offset amongst them. And I'm going to rearrange these k-mers to reform the word by finding those that overlap. Because of the spacing on my board, I'll start by taking all the 5 mers that have 3 base pair overlap, so 2 base pair offset. And with that, I'll get started. Oops. Alright, I think I've done it just by taking all the 5 mers with 2 base pair offsets. Now if I want to use all 21 5 mers present, I probably need a larger board. It's important to note though that there's another way I can assemble this sequence. I can just overlap these 5 mers and have one continuous sequence across the board. And I'll go ahead and attempt that. There we go. Okay, I'll continue further down. And there we go. 2 ways to assemble the Atlanta Science Festival from these camers. These are all pieces of magnet sheet that I've printed with a laser printer and then cut out and arranged on my magnetic whiteboard. And hopefully this will be enjoyable for kids in the 2020 Atlanta Science Festival. Thank you for watching.